In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download the NBKC Bank Mobile app with a straightforward step-by-step installation guide. So whether you're an iPhone user or an Android devotee, I'm here to make the process as simple as possible. Let's dive right in. First, the journey begins by opening the App Store on your mobile device. If you're an iPhone user, you'll want to locate the App Store icon typically found on your home screen. For Android users, search for the Play Store app, which has a colorful triangle icon. Make sure you're connected to a stable internet connection for a smooth experience. Once you've navigated to your respective app store, draw your attention to the search box situated at the top of the screen. This is where all the magic happens. Go ahead and tap on it, which will allow you to type in your search query. Next, type in NBKC Bank App. As you type, the store should start suggesting results based on your input. Keep an eye out for anything labeled NBKC Bank and tap on it when you find the official app in the list of results. Now that you've found the app, you might want to take a moment to glance over the details. You'll likely see the app logo, some screenshots showcasing its features, a description, ratings, and reviews from other users. This is a good practice to ensure you're downloading the official app and see what others have to say about their experiences with it. Satisfied with your choice? It's time for the next step. At this point, the big button will be your best friend. iPhone users will see a Get button, while Android folks will notice an Install button. Give it a tap and the download will commence. Remember, this process may take a few minutes depending on your internet speed. This is the perfect time to sit back and let the App Store do its thing. Once the download is complete, watch as the button changes to either open or launch. This indicates that the app is ready to use. Tap the button to venture into the world of mobile banking with NBKC. Once inside, you'll likely need to log in or set up an account if you haven't done so already. It's all smooth sailing from here. So, there you have it, an easy guided process to download the NBKC Bank Mobile app. With just a few simple taps on your phone screen, you'll have the app ready to manage your finances. Thanks for joining me today, and happy banking. If you enjoyed this video or found it helpful, make sure to like and subscribe for more great content.